central Torrance County in central New Mexico, south central Santa Fe County in north central New Mexico, until 3:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:03 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Moriarty, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Moriarty. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 194 and 212. Accumulations of hail on roads can create very slick and hazardous driving conditions. Motorists can expect brief but sudden changes in visibility and ponding of water on roadways as storms move through the area. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico, Santa Fe, and Torrance. Flood advisory in effect until